So yes, Pranshi, tell me something about circles, no? What do you know about circles?
Circles have no sides.
Definitely, circle has no sides. It's like a curve, as you said. It's no straight lines, right? Or
Yep.
you can say the round one, right? With one
Yeah.
curve line, isn't it?
Mhm.
And the center will be equidistant from all the points on this curve line, right?
Yeah.
This distance will be same. And what is this distance known as? A radius,
Radius.
right?
Yep.
So the center of the circle will be equidistant from all the points on the curved line, right? And the length of
Mm.
this curved line is known as the circumference, isn't it?
Right.
Circumference is nothing but the perimeter what we do in polygons, the one which is made up
Mhm.
of straight lines, right?
Yep.
Circumference is also the perimeter, but we use word circumference in curved shapes. We don't use a word called perimeter because perimeter is for polygons, the something made up of straight lines. Okay, but the base, the what you can say, the definition is same. It's just the length of the boundary. Okay, and the line which is passing through the center is known as the diameter, right?
Mhm.
And diameter is nothing but the two times of radius. So what is the diameter? Diameter is two times of radius. And what is radius? A fixed distance of any point on the circle from the center of the circle. So OP is the radius here. And if you extend it straight here, then PQ will become the diameter. So here OP is the radius and PQ will be the diameter, right?
Right.
Diameter is always two times of radius. Another thing what we should know about the circle is the chord and the arc and the sector. All these are basic terminologies. The the part of the circumference is an arc. The part of the circumference. This
Circumference.
total curved line is there, na? A part of it is called an arc. And any
Could it be
line,
any?
sorry,
Could any line be called the arc?
not line, it's a part of the circle. A
Okay.
part of the circle. It will be curved only, not lined. A part of the circle is an arc. Part of the circumference of the circle. Yeah.
Yep.
And any line within the circle which is, let it be A and B. Any line which intersects the circle at 2 points inside the circle is known as the chord. Is known as the chord. CHORD. So what is a chord? Chord is a line segment which intersect the circle at 2 points, just like AB. Even diameter is also a chord. Basically, diameter is also a chord. You can say the longest chord. Okay,
Okay.
so diameter is nothing but the longest chord. All is good, no?
Yep. Are you done writing?
Yeah, I'm writing it on there, no?
Okay, because then I'll start writing in my notebook.
Okay. So we learned arc, which is a part of the circumference of the circle. We did the chord, which is the line segment intersecting the circle at 2 points. We we discussed about the radius, which is a fixed distance of any point on the circumference from the center. And we did the
Mhm.
diameter. Diameter is two times of radius always in measurement, and it's a chord which passes through the center of the circle. Okay,
Okay.
any what see what we call or chord as is a straight line which intersect the circle at 2 points. So any chord which passes through the center of the circle is known as the diameter. which is two times of radius. Yeah.
Yeah.
The rest of the things like sector, segment, and all that I will explain once we do that topic. Okay. As of now, we should know what does this basic terminologies mean. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If I take the topics from the sheet which I have shared with you,
Wait, sorry,
uh,
can you go? I'm also writing.
yeah, no problem. You want me to
Or actually, it's okay. I can just go on my own screen and write it down.
1 second? Yeah. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sure. No, it's okay. You can write where you're writing. I'll just go to the website on my own and write it down.
Okay. Okay. You can also scroll it down, basically.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it from here. You can write what you're writing down.
Okay. So I'm just today we just be covering up the topics like what will be the length of the arc if they give you the angle, and what will be the area of the sector, what will be the inscribed angles, all that stuff we will going to do today. Okay, not in one class, maybe we'll do it in the next one too. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So just taking this and pasting it over here. Yes. So what are these formulas are? So if you have a circle, yeah. So this is the center, and this is an arc AB. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this part. Let me make it a green color. This part. This is an arc, right? Part of the circumference of the circle,
Yep.
right? And let the center be O. That they're saying if this angle is theta, okay, and AO and OB anyhow are the radius, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what will be this length of the arc AB? They're saying you should know the angle. If you know the angle, divide by the 360, multiply by 2 pi r, where pi is, value is 22 upon 7. Okay, as we do questions, you will understand. Okay, so how we find the length of the arc? We should know what angle the arc is subtending at the center. If you want to know the length of the arc, then we should know what angle that arc is forming at the center of the circle. Okay, and if you want to find the area of this sector, then the formula, this whole thing, sector is nothing but the region enclosed between two radii. Okay, the region enclosed between two radii. If you want to calculate this part, then the formula is theta upon 360 pi r square. Here we have the 2 2 pi r, and you know, right, what is a 2 pi r? 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do anyhow, we don't have to do the questions on circumference and area because that will be covered anyhow here in when you calculate the arc length and the area of a sector. Okay, that's the circumference formula. Yeah,
Mm,
and this formula is anyhow the area formula. Yeah, all well now.
yeah. Can I write this diagram down like this?
Yes, yes,
The topic and the formulas?
yes, you can. Yeah, all is good now.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, interesting chapter actually, circles. Very interesting. You like it.
I think I like it.
You will. So today we'll do questions on these two only. Okay. And in the next meetings we'll try doing the questions on all these four topics. Okay.
Okay.
And I will also share one more PDF later that which will cover up the codes for we have so many theorems on codes, and that will cover up, and also the equations of a circle, including tangents and secants concept as well. So three topics, that is arcs and chord. Number two, the tangents and secants. And number three, the equation of a circle. Those three topics worksheet, I'll share it later. And the PDF what I have shared today, we will cover up these two topics, arc length and area of a sector today. And in the next meetings, we'll cover up the remaining four. Once we are done with this, then we'll start doing the next three topics. And in that way, we cover up the whole circles chapter. Okay, so it will take some days to finish up this topic because it's a it's a it's a big topic altogether. Circles has a lot of theorems, a lot of concepts, right? It's a broader
Mm-hmm.
concept basically, so it will take some time. Yeah. And once this chapter will be done, your schools will get resumed, and then we'll do it as per what you're doing in school. Okay?
Yep.
Yeah. So let me know once you're done so that I can take some questions on arc length
Yeah.
and area of a sector. Yeah, done?
Almost.
Okay, let me take some questions. That way you can save time. Yeah, I'm taking it up. Okay, screen.
Okay.
So this is the question. So what are they saying is a circle has a radius of 14. Okay, let me draw one circle. Mhm. The radius is given as 14. This is r, which is 14. Find the exact arc length subtended by the central angle 40. Means if you make it here, let it be O here, A and B. They're asking if this angle is 45, what will be the length of this arc AB? This one. Okay, this one they're asking. Okay, so let's write the
Mm-hmm.
formula. Length of the arc is always equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, now they have given everything to us. So theta is 45 divided by 360 and 2 pi r. So 2 into, we'll take 22 upon 7 as the pi, and r is given as 14, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you can cancel things. 1 times 7, 2 times 7. I think 360, 45 also you can cancel. So 45 times 2 is 90. 90 times 4 is 360. So 8 you can cancel. So 1 times 45 and 8 times 45 is 360 only. You can check it also. When you multiply 45 times 8, 8 times 5 is 44, and then get a 360, right? 8 times 4, 22 plus 4, 360. So 8 you got here, right? You can cancel
Mm.
this even 8 also, no? So 2, 4 times 2, 1 times 2, and then you can cancel 2 times 2, 1 times 2, right? And this
Mm-hmm.
one, another one left over, so you can cancel that 2 with this 11. Oh, so you left with only 11, right? Rest all
Right.
cancels out. So your what is the length of the arc will be then? AB will be equal to 11. So what we did, they have given us all the things. They have given us the radius, they have given us the angle, and then they ask us to find the length of the arc AB if the theta is 45. So we use the formula which says length of the arc will always be equal to theta upon 360 times 2 pi r. Pi value is always 22 upon 7. Sometimes we take 3.14 also, depends. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
maximum you take 22.7 because 7 and 14 were multiples, it will get cancelled out as well. So in that way you can choose, or else they only will tell what value we have to take for pi. So we just substitute the things, we cancel the things, and that's how we got length of the arc AB equal to 11. You understand how we did it, right?
Yeah.
Are you writing it down?
Kind of. Yeah, I just started writing it down.
Yeah. No doubts, right? We understood the concept now.
If I do more questions, I think I'll understand it
We
better.
will get more clarity. Yes, correct. The formula is something which we need to remember. It says L
Mm-hmm.
equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Yeah. So I can create one more question for us. Let it be r given as 21. Okay. R is 21 and the theta, let it be 90 degree. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And let's find out the length of the arc. Yeah.
Yeah.
So L is always equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Right. They have given
Mm-hmm.
us the radius, they have given us the angle. Then we have to just substitute. So 90 upon 360 into 2 times 22 upon 7 into 21, right?
Yeah.
Now you can cancel. So 1 times 90, 4 times 90 is 360. And the rest of things also you can cancel. 1 times 7 is 3 times 7. Yeah.
Yep.
Then 2 times 2, 1 times 2, and 1 times 2, 11 times 2. In that way, we got 11 times 3, 33. So if r is 21 and the theta is 90, then the length of the arc will be 33. 33, it all depends. Is it centimeter? If this is in centimeters. Okay. Units will depend upon the units of the radius, what they have given us. You understood the formula?
I mean, yeah.
You have to learn better. So L equal to 3 theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. What is this formula all about? To find the length of the arc. To find the length of the arc. And what is arc? Arc is a part of the circumference of the circle. So to find the length of the arc, we should know what angle that arc is making at the center of the circle. Okay. For example, if this is a circle, this is center O, and this is the arc which we need to find out what will be the length of this. Find out what angle the end points of this arc are making here. If it is 30, things are done. And what is the radius? If the radius given as 10, yeah, just substitute in the formula and get it. So to find the length of the arc, you should know the radius and the angle which the end points of the arc are forming at the center of the circle. If we know these two things, we can easily find out the length of the arc just inputting the values in the formula. Make sense?
Mm.
Yeah, let me take another one.
Can I write this question down?
Yeah, once again, I'll make it down. I'm just copying it.
Oh wait, so you can keep writing. I'm on my own whiteboard page.
Okay,
I'll just scroll down after I'm done writing this.
okay. Oh, you have that option.
Oh yeah, cause like I'm on like the whiteboard, like the link that you sent.
Mm-hmm.
So then I can just scroll down and see. But I'm just gonna scroll up and write this down, and then I'll scroll
Okay.
down to the other
Let
question.
me know once you're done, then we'll do the discussion.
Okay.
All well, right?
Yep. Almost done.
Yeah, fine. No problem. Yeah, done?
Yep.
Okay. Now, if you see the second question, Pranshi, almost a similar question, just like things instead of giving something else, if the for example, in the previous question, there you find out the length of the arc, in and what all you need is nothing but the angle and the radius. Here, they will give you the length of the arc, they'll give you the angle, and they will find out, and they will ask you to find out the radius. So out of the three things, either two will be given, and the third has to be find out. Okay. So here, the
Um,
length of the arc is already given. So L is 10 pi, and the radius is 15, and theta will be equal to that we need to find out, right? Find the measure
mhm.
of the central angle. No problem, we just write the formula L equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, and theta we don't know, 360 we know, and here, yeah, this is 10 pi, right? 10 pi theta 2 pi into r, which is 15. Correct, right? So, uh, 10 pi, I think pi cancels out. And this will become 10 equal to theta on 360 into 30. Cancels. And 363. So theta will be equal to 360 divided by 3. 120. So what is the theta came out to be? 120 degree. Isn't it?
Mhm.
So see, we all, if you see the formula, there are only three variables. One is the length, one is the angle, and one is the radius. Rest all are constant things. So if you If you're given with any two, you can always find out the third. Okay. So if
Mm-hmm.
out of the three, if we know already two, then we can do it. So we just did the same thing. We just put in the values what we all know already and then cancel the things. Yeah,
Okay.
you can write it down better. So
Yep.
basically, again, I'm repeating. The formula is L equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, where r is the radius and the theta is the angle formed by the arc at the center of the circle. Yeah, and there are three variables in this formula, L, theta, and r. So out of the three, two will be given, and the third they will ask you to find out. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, write it down, buddy, this one, no? So that we can do the next one.
Okay.
Yeah, understood how we did, Naprashi?
Yeah, I'm kind of understanding it, like
Great,
as we're
great.
doing questions.
No problem. More you do, more you learn.
Yeah.
How you have learned PPT, right? You did so well in the last class. Similarly, we'll learn this too. Okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Write it down, then we'll move next. Or if you're done, then I can move it. Okay, I think you're done.
Yep.
Uh, Let me take another one. Ta-da. Okay, this question is also good. Tricky one, but yeah, we can definitely can do it. Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Let me paste it over here. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, Yansh. आता हूँ बेटे मीटिंग फिनिश करके ओके लव यू स्टडी किया आपने ठीक है कल फिर करेंगे ओके लव यू बेटा करेंगे राज स्वामी राज स्वामी yeah I'm just pasting it yeah you can see this right
Mm-hmm.
so so what are they saying they're saying find the total perimeter of a sector with radius 9 and the central angle 80 okay let's first make a circle that will help us to understand. So let it be this sector means something like this, right? Sector is a part of the area of a circle, no? And this is the theta, and let it be AB here, and uh, with radius 9, so this is 9, radius is 9, so this also be 9. Center angle is 80, right? Okay, so I think we just have to find the length of the arc, that's it. And then we'll add 9 to find the perimeter. Perimeter means they want this whole thing, length of this whole sector. Okay, but for that you need the length of the arc, right? So again the
Mm-hmm.
same thing, L equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So theta is 80 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 9, right? And now let's
Yes.
cancel the things, that's important. 0 0 cancelled, and 1 times 9, 4 times 9, correct. And then 1 times 4, 2 times 4, right? And what
Yeah.
to do with 7, buddy? We have 7 here, and it will not cancels with anything now. So what all you have now is 2 to 4 and 22 into 4, which is 88 upon 7. So you're getting a fraction, right? That is the length of the arc, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And now we have to add the 9 and 9 to it. We can also go in decimals, but yeah, I'm just avoiding it. Let's see what we get. Now, this is the length of the arc, okay? Now, let's find the perimeter of the sector. Perimeter of the sector will be equal to OA plus OB plus AB. Perimeter is nothing but length of the boundaries, and OA
Sir,
is 9.
where do you get like the 7 to put it?
Which 7?
The 22 over 7?
That's a pi value.
Oh, okay.
This pi will always be equal to 22 upon, this is fixed beta. Sometimes we
Okay.
write 22 upon 7, sometimes we take 3.14 also. It all
Hmm.
depends what they have asked us, or else we have to see whether 7 cancels somewhere. Okay. Now 88 upon 7. You can just add it. 9 plus 18. 18 plus 88 upon 7. And then take 7 as the LCM. 18 times 7. So 8756. 5 and 17512 plus 88. Are you getting it, nobody? You may getting
Yeah.
in fraction, that's fine. And then you can say 126, 8 6 is 14, 1 8 to 10 11, 1 and 8 1 9 10. Is it 126? Sorry, my bad. I thought it's 1126. Okay, so 8 6 is 14, no? 1 and then 8 to 10 plus 1 11, then 1 again. 214. Understood how we did it, right? Upon 7. Now you can divide it. You may get in decimal, that's okay. If you want to do, you can do. So 7 times 3 is 21. 0, then you'll have 4, which is smaller. Bring a 0 down, put a 0 here, right? And
Hmm.
7 times 5 is 35. Get a 5, like a 0. Times, I think this will continue. So 30.57 is our answer. Equal to 30.57. That will be the perimeter of this whole sector. Makes sense, right? So
Yes.
basically, let's again read it, Pranshi. So they're asking the perimeter of the sector. Sector I already have shown you while we were discussing the basic things or basic terms of a circle. So sector is nothing but the area enclosed between two radii. Okay, and we have drawn here sector OAB. To find the perimeter of this sector, we have to find the length of the arc first, which we can find out with the help of a formula what we have. L 360 L equal to the theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, right? And then we input the values what we already have. We got a fraction term which is 88 upon 7, and we add up all the other radii, 9 and 9, because we have to find the perimeter of the sector, right? So this part is 88 upon 7, the the curved part, and the straight lines part is 9 and 9. Perimeter is nothing but length of the boundary. So we added all of them. So 9 OA plus OB plus AB, that's 9 plus 9 plus 88 upon 7. We get 214 upon 7, and when we divided it, to get the decimals, it's getting 30.57. Makes sense, right? This is how we
Yeah.
find the perimeter of a sector. You, your homework is you have to go through all the questions once again, Pranshi, and if you have any doubts, you have to come across. You have to let me know. But once you practice, definitely, I'm very sure that you'll understand the things. So you already have done it on your notebook. Try redoing it. All the three questions. Get a clarity. Ask me then.
Okay.
Make sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay, write it down. No problem. As I said, it's not a one-day topic, so we will cover up for in the next classes as well. It takes some time. No problem. We'll do once again these these things what we have done today. But yeah, it will be good if you do a practice at home. See how we have done it in the class. It will be helpful. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Carry on. Write it down. Any step you want me to explain once again?
I'm just writing it down for now.
Okay. Good. Carry on.